Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming the essentials. Check Spotify and OS versions so you can apply compatible fixes. Once done, make sure you're signed in and your playlists are backed up to avoid data worries. Now open your device settings and navigate directly to notifications, then tap the Spotify app entry. You're beginning the fix by targeting the notification layer. This lets you see whether the system is blocking banners, persistent bar, or media controls, which determines the next actions. You'll now change the specific switches that control the notification bar. First, enable media controls, show previews, and persistent notifications so the bar can appear. Then clear Spotify's cache and force, stop the app to flush temporary issues, reopen to test. If you use Bluetooth or a car system, toggle those connections and check widget or lock screen permission settings. These steps fix conflicts between system and app notification handlers, which is why they usually resolve missing or stuck bars. You're at the finish line. If toggles and cache didn't help, reinstall Spotify to reset deeper settings. Optionally try the beta if the stable build has a known bug. Reset app preferences from system settings to restore default notification behavior, and check OS notification logs or debug options to pinpoint conflicts. Finally, reboot your device and test with another account or device. If the issue persists, contact Spotify support with error details. One key tip: test after each step so you know what fixed it.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.